ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ. Hello listeners, this is your RJ Chandana and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defence, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingales Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated an elder line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly.
Hello, radio listeners, Nightingale radio listeners, Anubhav listeners, Namaskar. This is K. Lakshman Rao, Radio Rao. Today talking on another topic, World Braille Day. These are the two topics on which I would like to talk to you today. Earlier, I was working for Indian Bank. Now, I'm just being friendly with you, making friends with you by talking to you through this Radio Nightingale Anubhav program. All of you are educated, cultured, experienced and mature. This is a great boon for me to share my views on different aspects of life with you. Namaskar. Namaste to the listeners. This is K.L. Rao. Today is World Braille Day as declared by the United Nations Organization. It is to bring awareness among the blind and visually impaired, the advantage of learning the Braille script. Now, Braille is there in most of the languages. Louis Braille was born in France on January 4th in 1809. When he was a child, he wanted to help his father in his workshop. One day, accidentally, his eye was injured. Later on, the second eye too was infected and he became completely blind. He was admitted into Royal Institute for the Blind Youth, where he studied. When he was 15, he invented the script for the blind and visually impaired. It is raised dots code. Even after 200 years, Braille is helping billions of blind and visually impaired to read and write, to study and gain employment, and lead independent life. Braille died when he was 43. So the greatness of Braille is he has given livelihood to billions of blind people in the whole world, bringing them to the mainstream of life. Hats off to Louis Braille. Let us remember him on this day. He will be there forever with us. K.L. Rao signs off.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful talk. We really liked it. Thank you so much. Thank you once again, listeners. I hope you too have listened to the program. Stay tuned to Hiravani for more such interesting program. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any question, queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.